Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, madam.
Please, that is my husband's phone. Who are you, please?
Madam, please, I found this phone in a gutter around Tuesday market yesterday.
Shut up.
I won't go anywhere.
Shut up! Now get moving.
Make us see. I dey like him. But it's not for me.
Hey, come on for there. Bounce.
Make I tell you, the phone I collect them. So you better go out and go rest.
What? Please, is this some form of a joke or what?
I said the phone I collect them. See, ask me the way they talk right now, sir. If I go sell them.
You too. You think I'm a small child that you come and do me that 419 you are doing? You think I'm a small girl?
Carol, make I tell you.
Shop.
This thing, it be genuine thing. This not be fraud.
What's genuine? What do you have that's genuine?
See, we can't hear sick of Seaman.
Seaman. Why is Seaman? Huh?
We know where Seaman is. That's why we can't hear.
So what do you want me to do? Hey! Today I'm here to deliver you from the hands of bondage.
Hallelujah.
From witchcraft.
Yes.
You need to be delivered. Hey, sit down. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Are you know the lady who talks to me rubbishly on the phone? Attack! Hey!
My snake in the monkey shadow.
Stand there, Mr. Evidence. Hey, don't call me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleading for you.
Eh?
Seaman, be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
It's okay. See. Oh. Man, who's a wedding here? Are they?
How do you expect me to be happy? Eh? How do you expect me to be happy? After say why invite you with and then down for one. So I'm ready to no more booming. Who expect to say I'm seriously? And yes, sir.
Oh, well, many more you. Me nim you achira won hadum kra. Me nim ho hwe.
Wunim ho hwe.
Oh,
and what ka say me yakola na. Ya wo me enura. No abetena ka chem say wunim ho hwe na magye edi.
na me ye de umblibi. Wo de wunim. Ni tetia. Chire no twa no. Edian asotwe na apese me de ma karo. Na chese wo kuma to yem. Ka chire me. Tell me. Ni obeka bia meye.
We are sure say be making be our way.
Wait, me see wo de kan wakoma mu asem chire me. Just tell me what you wish.
Seaman.
Yes, my queen.
Are you sure?
More than sure.
The only wish
That's right.
that I want now is that You will eject that woman from the house.
Sure. Oh, wow. Karosha Jata, Miss Opera, or your stubborn, Opreda. No, I want the man for call.
Seaman. Sana, how can you me? No problem. Say we go to Dono. We go to Dono. Into now, can say me.
Apu.
No problem.
Apu.
Okay.
Apu Tobium. Say me pe Karosha. What? I want to go. Me don't.
Oh, please leave me.
Is it open? Let me hear there.
Missy, I want you to move her out of the house. If you know you love me, then this is what I want. So prove it to me by ejecting her from that house.
Okay.
So that we will go and live there.
Oh, what brought for no door to the tea? Uti na supam. Karo okotun wo fie ho abede. Eti niambe ya ni se meto fie no. Ha, me, Seaman, me be dia bro. Meto fie na wo ho na mobi. Na nia meto fie da ma no. No asake Karo afifie ho. Say edo dia ka be pede. This is what I'm going to do. I a simple cry. Now they mommy just few weeks. That's all. I'll sell that house. And I met Tom and what two nephew home. Won't pay with up at the I will come and tell him.
Now you are talking like a real man.
Now I'm a man, of course.
Are you sure you are going to do that?
I will do that. Just give me some few weeks. Few weeks. Near him, and he said, Meton few. Me tom fie ho say straight na ma tom fie ho na go o fie na ma tama no no akwa kotu na free ho won pe we na apede ambiem. I told you, yes, I told you I love you.
Few weeks. Okay. Now you are talking. I can't wait for that few weeks to come. Good. So I'm going to give you a reward for that.
What is it? Tell me.
Don't worry. Follow me inside and you will see the reward.
No, what are you going to do to me?
Do you want me to massage you?
Yes, of course.
Follow me.
Yes, my queen.
Follow me.
Yes, my queen.
Mami bi esun hwe. Mama na ebe mani mi lisa. Ti am choro mi o. Eh, paper bere.
Hey! Court order. House being sold. Hey! It is a man at of you. Me. Everything yakupon. Hey! Seaman! Hey! It's when it's wanted to we are better in Colano Yacoin. Hey! What order? Seaman! I have to call my friend. I have to call Joyce. I said, because Joyce. Seaman told me here. Hey! Hey! Seaman told me here.
Hope there's no problem.
There is plenty problem. Plenty. Look, it's been 2 weeks since we decided to sell the house in order for that old cargo of yours to be ejected from the house. And I haven't heard anything. So please give me an update.
No, I haven't gotten any buyer.
You've not gotten any buyer?
Yes.
Have you advertised the house on any platform?
No, please.
Nonsense. Nonsense. So how do you expect to sell the house when you've not advertised it? Are you expecting your grandparents to come from the dead and come and sell the house or come and buy the house?
I haven't, sold the house before. So how do I go about it?
Look, to start with, we have to get the papers for the house.
Who? As if I knew this. The documents are with me here.
You mean they are in the...
Oh, yes!
Okay, then get them.
Bring the documents to you?
Yes. Fast.
Meshach.
Nah.
Meshach.
Good morning. Nah.
Good morning, Meshach.
It's been a long while. I even thought you were out of the hood.
Where else will I go apart from hanging in this boring house each day of my life? You know my dad and his ways.
See, your old boy, he needs to lower his gas a little. Very soon he'll put broilers for sale notice on your wall.
Meshach.
So where are you off
To Tuesday market.
Now do you make fine?
Oh.
And I do.
Oh, Meshach.
Meshach, Nadu.
God.
Oh, fine.
This idiot again.
Hey there.
I thought you two were dating.
Not anymore.
Hey! What? What are you doing with my boy?
Hey, point of correction. Who is your girl? You must be a big fool to think I'm your girl. See, get this into your useless, good-for-nothing head of yours. There's nothing going on between us.
Nadu. Bona. Bona. Where? I want to know yes, I Genevieve. Eh? Who didn't you know? And soon, okay, sorry, me get you. I kebab. And you will know. No, that lie. You did lie. Hey! Oh, Male. Oh, Male. Ah, see, more local. Cosmos and she be an lato again. Oda, no, fella say, fight it. Or battle menable. No, what I'm telling you.
Awale, I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this.
Meshach, don't mind him. Help! Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
This is it, my queen.
Good boy.
Again.
Good boy.
Again. This side.
It's okay, get to work. Hello? Hello, Adam. Look, I need your services as soon as possible. Sure. Sure. Okay, so I'll meet you there. All right. Bye.
Jimmy for. Nina, your whole fault. Oh, my dear Kwakofaba. Stupid, foolish boys. What about Kuwa? Who are we going to walk on? Do me a coffee.
Do you think this will be possible?
Oh yeah, very, very possible. Very, very possible.
All right. You know what? Find a way to take very good pictures of the house. Have it valued. Let's put it online and then let's see what will come out of it.
But consider it done. Consider it done.
Sure.
Oh yeah, possible.
I trust you.
Oh, you know, what is in it for me? What is in it for me? Oh, you know, man must eat now.
But you know I can't leave you like that.
So let me hear it.
Okay. 10% for you.
10% sounds good. You have a deal.
Deal?
Oh, of course. Thank you.
All right. It's a deal. I trust you. I know you will do a good job. Yeah.
All right.
So, I'll see you.
Okay.
All right.
Good afternoon.
Oh, hello. Puppy, excuse her. Have a seat.
Charlie. Oh boy.
I hope all is well.
Oh yeah, all is well.
Any good news?
Definitely good news. You know, I don't work empty. Definitely good news.
Wow, I trust you.
I bet you know me.
Okay, so let it out.
I have a buyer to the house.
You don't mean it?
Sharp. I have a buyer to the house.
Wait, so is he ready to pay all the $600,000?
Oh no, we ran it up to somewhere 557,000.
557. That's okay.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Sharp.
Ede!
Jack of all trades, Master Maeshe Kran, I was just there.
Good. All right. So what's next?
What mode of payment do you want?
I would want it to be paid directly into my account.
Definitely, I'll contact him to do just that.
All right. So once it's done, I'll get a call from the bankers.
Definitely.
Yeah, and
definitely.
then.
Oh, my
I'll
10%.
Get the documents.
But don't forget my 10%.
Eden.
Oh yeah, Charlie. I for it.
I promised you.
I for it.
Don't worry,
So
I'll give it to you. Once the payment is made, I'll get you your 10%.
I hear you. What of the documents? Has he signed it?
Don't worry about that. I'll get him to sign it.
Okay.
That is not a problem at all.
Okay. In that case, I'll take my leave.
So please,
Alright.
just make everything fast, okay?
You don't get
So
problem.
that I can get you your 10%.
You don't get problem. Charlie.
All right.
Puppy! Puppy!
Yes, my queen.
Come over.
Poppy.
Yes, my queen.
Okay, go and get the document. The document for the house. It's on the table.
I should bring it here
Yes. With a pen.
with a pen.
Yes.
Please be fast about it.
Here you are.
All right. So, Poppy,
My queen.
we have sealed the deal.
Ow.
So you have to sign here.
No, I can't sign today. No. It's my own house.
Shut up.
It's my own house. Let me think about it. I can't sign today. No.
My friend, sign the thing.
Yeah, my sign.
Sign the thing.
You are forcing me to sign, eh? You are forcing me to sign, eh?
Look, Poppy, take it. Take it. Don't sign it. Get out.
No.
From now onwards, you have stopped eating toffee from me. In fact, you even leave this house. Get out. Get out.
No. No.
Get out.
I'll sign. No. Yeah.
You sign.
I'll sign.
Then sign it. Sign here.
Oh, my house.
Look, I don't want you to say that I forced you to sign this thing. I want you to sign it from your heart.
No.
Do you want to sign it?
You are forcing me.
Then don't sign it.
Okay, I'll sign.
You eat toffee.
No,
Get
you
out.
wasn't forcing me. I will sign.
Are you sure I'm not forcing you?
No, I'll sign.
Then sign it. Sign here.
Bring your head on. I'll sign it at your
You
back.
are mad.
I'm sorry. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, what?
Sign the Sign here too.
Where? Ow.
And here, sign the last one. What are you doing?
No.
Sign the last one.
Let me sign that one tomorrow. I'll sign the last one tomorrow.
Don't sign it.
No,
Take it.
I'll sign. Hey, you are. My house is gone. My whole house is